Today, I will share with you a traditional and organic recipe for making vinegar from apricots. To begin, wash the apricots thoroughly and let them dry. Separate the pits. This recipe is also available in Urdu language. The link is available in the description box. Place the remaining fruit in a straining bowl. Set the straining bowl over a larger bowl to collect the juice. Cover the setup and leave it for about 2 days. After this period, uncover and discard the pulp. Strain the juice once more. Pour it into an airtight bottle, allowing it to ferment for 1 week. Your fresh and organic apricot vinegar is now ready to use in any dish. Stay tuned for the upcoming recipe where I'll show you how to make an original pickle using this vinegar. Thank you for watching.